There's a process for everything, but it all comes down to three simple words. Honesty. You can focus on doing things right when you don't have to focus on covering things up. Integrity is the state of being whole and undivided. It's quite simple. We work for you. Professionalism. Every day, we're here to hone our skills, to find better ways, to make sure that you have the best truck, the best service, and the best experience possible. Celebrating 40 years and 5,000 trucks isn't what makes us great. Us sticking to those principles is what has allowed us to be around for those 40 years and to deliver those 5,000 trucks. For that, we thank you.